Welcome to the CryptoNest. All right, so Fetch AI. Okay, so yesterday the Nvidia report were very good, and the earning were the performance of the quarters were even better than the one expected. But I didn't see anything. Everybody was looking for action or improvement, or yeah, a reaction into the AI coins. I didn't see that. You can see that now we just start to have some green. And for a moment, I think I was trying to upload a video, but then it didn't work out. And actually uploaded a wrong one. I was saying that I was entering a long trade on Fetch. I got in here. So now for a moment, I have a minus almost 10%. And this is my invalidation point. I do believe, yeah, here it's another maybe nice entry level. I believe now the alts should be able to wake up soon. When Bitcoin is going to take a break, I think the altcoins are going to react on that. So now the idea of this trade is that we did a bigger correction. Actually, let me go maybe on the 4 hours. Okay, so for Fetch, I can see an A, B, C. This could be an A or it can be a 1. I did put the limit there, right? But then after that, if I say this is a 1, this is a 2, the third one has to go much higher, as you can see. Not that one. I think I invalidated that count, I believe. Let me go and check here, just to be sure. This is blue for that one, so forget about it. Okay, so I'm going to do it back. Actually, I didn't. I think I didn't. I invalidated that count because you're going to see right away, shortly. C left. So you can see. I'm not going to count this as a 1, and this as a 2, and this as a third one, because 1-to-1 ratio. We need, kind of 1-to-1 ratio, and we didn't got that. We didn't even got the 0.786, so it's a little bit weak. And this is the reason why I am counting this as a wave 1. And so this is my wave 2. Now here I was doing some micro counting once again. I think I deleted my levels a little bit too early. All right, so did you click? Yes. Okay, so let me remove some levels. We don't need this one. We don't need that one. There you go. And I'm going to put the same color. So you can see that we did hit perfectly the 0.5, and now we're having a reaction. So this is why I was doing that. Also, this one I'm going to remove. Cleaner chart. No, didn't want to do that. All right, so now if I do some micro counting, once again, I can count this as a wave 1. And this is wave 2. You can see we are at the limit. So this is this at this limit here was very nice entry, because you almost have no your risk is very low, right? Because you are at the bottom of the limits. I do believe now we should start to react and start to reverse. So what I can do now on the 1 hour, I could just maybe draw just a downtrend, and that would be my beginning or my first signal that the trend is reversing. As you can see, we still have some room to go. And if I want to be more, yeah, I could do something like so. So this for sure, it's a weak trend, because we only have 2 touching point, and we are working on it currently now. I'm going to put an alarm on 15 minutes. I like 15 minutes. So every time the candle is going to interact with that line every 15 minutes. It's going to send me a notification. Okay, so breaking downtrend. All right, so this is pretty much all that I wanted to share with you guys on Fetch. Now we have Avalanche. Check the time, 5 minutes, not bad. Go on 4 hours. Okay, so for Avalanche, I do have a 1-2, and I believe we're working on this third wave in yellow. Now, we almost reached, actually, we did reach a minimum for this third wave, but if I do some micro counting, then, you know, we have the A, we have the B, and then this is the C. Within the C, we're going to have an A, we're going to have a B. Now, I'm not sure if the B is finished. Looks unfinished to me, but we did reach this level here, so technically this can be completed. And now we could be working already on this final stage. I don't know what did I do now. I think I grabbed something. Okay, so if this is already the end of this B wave here, okay, but ideally I'm looking for something a little bit lower. So $30.22, it's because I did the fib extension. I took the length of the wave A, I added to the wave B, and that should be my two levels, 31.60 and 30.22. It looks like maybe it's not going to go. We shall see. Also, I mean, this is freaking crazy, but now, I mean, no one was doing any triangle now, and then now I don't know, maybe it's me, maybe it's only me, but I see triangles everywhere. And as you can see now, I see another triangle here. So let's see for that. This could be an A, B, C. We're missing a D and an E, and after that, prepare for the skyrocketing movement. So I'm going to actually put it here. A, B, C. Now it would be working on a D, and after that, I'm going to put the E here because usually they don't go that fast. All right, so that's pretty much all for Avalanche. Link, it's working also very well. Well, at least for this one, I cannot say I'm seeing a triangle. And if I zoom out a little bit, so wave 1, wave 2, very nice, wave 3. I believe also we're working on this fourth wave. Now, is the fourth wave finished? It did go lower, right? Even below the 0.382. So this could be as well finished. Did it go? No, actually not quite yet. Was missing a little bit. It's just stopped here, but we were very, very close. Okay, so this could be an A, B, and now we're going to look for the C, which I'm going to try to do right now. Let's see. So, no, sorry, done. So this is the A. This was the B. All right, so these are the levels I'm looking for now, also for this C wave. Going to remove the 1.236. There you go. And so because we did kind of a high wave, actually, how come it's yeah, because we went much higher. Okay, there you go. Makes sense, makes sense. All right, so this is the target now, 1381 to 1326. For sure, it can go much lower because, you know, it is allowed to go as low as $11. Okay, this is for Link. Well, Solana, honestly, I don't follow much this coin because there are so many out there that cover it. So I don't see the need, but yeah, just for general knowledge, yeah, it's doing a 1, it's doing a 2, and still working on a third wave. Third wave could be finished because it's really 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so that's yeah. Be careful. This could reverse. Now you could just maybe do a trend here, an uptrend. If you break, maybe first indication that that is going to drop. XRP very, very nice. And yeah, so I count this as a wave 1, all this as a wave 2. And this is the third wave. Am I looking for this fourth wave? Honestly, a little bit disappointed because I was looking for a deeper pullback for this fourth wave. And yes, I can see triangles everywhere. The only thing now for this one, I'm not going to take the top. So you can see we still have a little bit of more room to go. But you know, sometimes we you know, it is nice to do trend lines, but then at the end of the day, if XRP want, and kind of sorry to say that, piss off everybody, it's going to say, oh, it's going, and then it just continue. So yeah, that's the trend reality. But you know, if let's hope that is going to do something either up or down. I wouldn't mind if he goes down once again, because give me a chance to accumulate more at lower levels. And I did the extension wave A to wave B, still valid. And actually this is the level I'm looking for now. I think I'm going to move it a little bit. I think I can put it on the right side, so cleaner chart maybe. Okay, so this is the level I'm looking for, ideally, from 93.7 to 98.5. For sure, it doesn't have to give us that. And once again, it's doing a triangle, so we shall see. Was this the third wave? Yes, it was. So now let's remember, we did already a very nice extension to the 2.38. So where can it go? I did the extension here. I believe this was the wave 1 and this was the wave 2. Let me check here. I don't know why my colors are all messed up. Okay, so let me zoom in a little bit more. So removing that. Okay, so this is a wave 1. This is wave 2. Now it's a third wave. You can see that we reached the 1.618. So that's amazing. So the next level I'm looking, it's $1.48, and after that $1.68, and yeah, well, let's go for those two first. And yeah, once again, we're missing that fifth wave when we do micro counting on this third wave here. Now you can see that I was being very optimistic for this fourth wave, but it looks like we just met the bare minimum. Let's see how it goes. So once again, my next target, we did reach this one, so it's going to be $1.48. Actually, could I put that on the left side maybe? Just to be sure I'm looking at a good thing here. All right. All right, so that's okay. Now Sui, a little bit disappointed in Sui. Actually, no, I'm disappointed on me because I wanted to take some profits, and then without this craziness, that's the problem when you have too many coins. It's hard to handle them. So it's still okay, right? But you could just do a minimal pull back, and then after that continue to go. We're missing a fifth wave here, and so now the other approach that I'm having now, it's yeah, I'm just going to scale back more here. If we do a nice deep pullback, you can see I do have some an alarm here. So it's 178 or 179. That would be a very nice level. Actually, I'm going to be more conservative and maybe put it here, 198. If it goes there, I think this is a nice level. And after that, we're going to complete that fifth wave. And that's going to complete our bigger third wave in blue. Let me see here. Okay. And after, we're going to have a bigger pullback, which I didn't do yet. So, all right. So let me just take a sip of coffee. That I keep doing it, but then I never drink. All right. Ethereum finally is starting to outperform Bitcoin. You can see that in the last few hours, I guess. Actually, no, in this current hour, it starts to skyrocket. Let's see how far it can push. Yeah, it's very, very nice if you can start to do that, because you know it was really delaying. Once again, we have an A, B, C for the wave 1, and we have another A, B, C for the wave 2. And now it looks like, now honestly, now I'm not even sure it's this correction it's finished, because I don't want to be negative here, guys, but if this is the third wave, well, maybe this is the A, is doing the B now, and then after it's going to do the C. So that would make sense as well. It looks like messy here. It's look incomplete, but maybe it's only me. So yeah, Ethereum, do what the hell you want. This could be just an A, and then we do a skyrocketing B wave, and then yeah, no, it doesn't work. Yeah, okay, so I'm going to put my fourth wave here, but pretty much sure, scared that we're not done with that. All right, BNB. So once again here we have BNB. It's one of the rare coin. It gives us really very nice trends. The chart, it looks amazing, and I believe now it's working on this fifth wave. As you can see, it did an A, B, C for the wave 1, did an A, B, C for the wave 3, and then guess what? I believe it's going to, it's making an A, B, C for this fifth wave, because it has to. And did I do the extension here? Not really. So I'm guessing this is the wave 1 and 3. 1 and 3, yes. I don't know why all my chart, the colors are messed up. I don't know if there was a bug or something, but I'm pretty sure usually I do follow up and I do try to match them. All right, so this is crazy because we already with the A, we reached the 1.286. So I'm going to take out the 618 level. And so I'm going to say the next target is going to be the 1-to-1 ratio. This was for the B wave, I guess. So is the B wave finished or completed? I don't know. It doesn't. Yeah, this one is not bad because it did an A, a B, and now it's doing something. Or this was the A, B, C for the B, and then still going down. once again, it's not clear, but definitely if we start to go, actually, even if we go higher than this A wave, there is still a way that, you know, we're just making a higher B wave. So let's see how it work out for that. But yeah, next target, $1. Wow, $1.60. Amazing. Dot also is waking up a little bit. I do have a long on dot. I believe this is the A. I believe this was the B. And now we're going to do this C wave. So let's see also. Let me check here. So we have any ABC for the 1, correction for the 2. And yeah, so I'm not counting this. Did it a very long time ago. So I'm going to put that a little bit higher now, because I believe this is just the A, the B, and we're missing that C wave that more likely will maybe start to work on it now. So once again, my colors, I guess, are already once again messed up. Okay, so this I don't like. I'm just going to try to do now the estimation. I'm going to take this as a wave A. I'm checking this level here, and this as the B. So I'm talking, well, ideally we go to $7.42. Pretty much very nice coincidence that this is handout to be the very long-term downtrend. So more likely here is going to price going to get rejected, and then it will complete this third wave. File today, it's waking up. Also, I know many people are very bullish on file. You know, they're okay. So we did a wave 1, wave 2 here, and you can see also diagonal 3 waves. So for this third wave, I do believe this was the A, this is the B, and now we're doing this C wave. We already reached the 1-to-1 ratio. Hopefully, is it? No, that was the estimation for the third wave level. Okay, 1.236, $5.27, or 1.38, $5.60. Are you my okay? So if I take the 1-to-1 ratio, wave A to wave C, target should be, well, first reaction of the price. Let me move around these little guys here. Remove that level because already reach it. Okay, so it's $5.07 or 8, and ideally $5.50, and that could be the end of the third wave. All right, so this is pretty much all for today. That's a long video. I know there are so many coins to cover. Actually, let me do one last one. Meme coins. Okay, so Brett. Wow, Emule. Okay, Emule. I did got some long time ago. Now start to pay out 40%. Maybe now it's the cut time, right? So this is the 1, this is the 2, and more likely this could be the third wave. Let me do a downtrend here line to see. Okay, so we didn't even break out. So let's be calm. But if Emil try to do something like that and make a retest and then go, you know, I'm going to accumulate more here. I'm actually going to put an alarm now. I'm guessing that's the downtrend. Maybe 15 minutes is start to be unreasonable. I think 15 minutes is good enough. So accumulate more. Okay, and then I was saying what I was doing before. I have Brett. I was there. Okay, Brett, I just got a little bit more now. That's crazy because I just bought it like, yeah, maybe one hour ago. So I just I guess got it on time. So you can see that we were doing that pullback. I believe third wave is finished. Once again, ideally we would go a little bit lower, but it's pretty nice, pretty nice. You can see that the target for the fourth wave, that they were much lower. We just reached technically the bare minimum, but as you can see, I have alarms also, but only one triggered, and maybe we are on this fifth wave now. If we are, then eventually I can estimate what would be the target, but for the moment I don't believe we're done with this fourth wave. It's too short, honestly. So let's see how it goes. Alright, so hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and have a good day.